It's not that hard to start growing your brain. I'm going to do it with some visualizing techniques, and they may sound strange, but trust me, there's a lot stranger. First, start working by picturing your pineal gland, your third eye, as a seed. Maybe a really big seed, like an acorn. Picture it like an acorn, or a small pine nut, or a pine cone, like that. And picture every little groove in that pine cone has capability of like a stem or like a root coming out and growing a little bit. But this time the roots grow branches, more roots and more roots, and we'll pretend that those roots are your pineal gland attaching into your brain and growing neural pathways. And the bigger you can picture your root or your seed sprouting, whether you want it to be tree limbs or roots, you could sprout a little root and put it to your eyes and pretend that your eyes are receiving more information from your brain, and your brain is receiving more information from your eyes. So you can have the seed have little roots that go to your eyes and connect to like the sockets of your eyes. You can picture it. I know it sounds sort of gruesome, but it's not. Just picture it as a tree in your mind. From the center of your head, where your third eye is, and you picture roots growing, tiny roots that go off to your eyes, that can get thicker as you go. The thicker they get, the better your vision is. And then as they grow, the tree sprouts out into your mind, growing neural pathways. And each neural pathway can sprout little itty-bitty tiny leaves. But in your mind, those little itty-bitty tiny leaves can be huge. And the bigger a leaf can be means the bigger the branch has to be. The bigger the branch has to be, the bigger the tree has to be. And when you can start picturing that tree growing bigger outside of your head, those branches and those limbs and those roots are reaching out farther away from your face and gathering more information farther away. Just like when a seed is in the ground, the reason a tree grows bigger when its roots grow down farther is because it interprets more information from the earth, from all those experiences absorbed into the soil through those little dust particles and moisture that formed long-lasting soil and rock and changed into all the different forms. I know it sounds hard to believe, but that's how seeds work. The bigger the seed, the more the seed sprouts into the earth, and the more rich the earth is, where the water gets down to it, water brings more information into the roots. So the bigger the roots are, it's receiving more information, like it's washing the information through the dirt into the ground. That's why there's more information, and there's more life, and there's more color around tropical areas that are by the ocean. I mean, there's all kinds of reasons. I can explain it more in detail later, but it is pretty interesting. So let's try this mind exercise and put a seed or an acorn, or the bigger the seed, the bigger the plant. It could be the tiny little seed and make a big plant. It doesn't matter. Just picture a seed as your pineal gland. Trust me, put roots in your eyes and put a tree growing through your neural pathways. The next thing you know, you'll be having some ideas you never thought you could have. That's just one mind exercise. We'll make a meditation for it, and we'll call it the tree. I'll talk to you guys later. Love you.